Hey, Katrina here from Scrappy Horses. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm so happy you're here. It's time for a 5-minute how-to video. And today I want to talk about how to use the collections feature in Cricut Design Space. I want to talk about how to use it and why we use it and how we can change it if we want to once we've used it. All right, let's get started. This video isn't about creating a card, but I'm going to create one very fast here because we have to have something to save. So let's do it. I have my layers here, card base, a layering piece, and this is my top layer. I'm just going to bring my top layer in. I have chosen this little sunflower. I've chosen this fall, and this is going to be a simple print thing cut layer. So I'm going to select it all, come up to align, center horizontally, and I'm going to come over here and flatten. My card is finished. Whew, that was a fast card, wasn't it? All right, now let's talk about the collections feature. I want to save this, all right? So I'm going to click save. I'm going to click save as because I've already saved this before. So save as, and I'm going to do it as Tutorial for Collections Sunflower 1. I have all of these collections that I've already created. If you've never created any, then you'll need to create a new collection. So you will click the button, Create New Collection. Let's create one called, let's say I want one that just says Sunflower Cards. Create. Now I would also like this, I'm going to take it down here into Undone Tutorial Items. Boom. And let's do it in Undone Ideas. All right. Some other ideas might be thank you, if you like to do shirts or clothing. If you are someone who does a lot of challenges, you might want to have collections of different challenges and put them in that way. This is just a way for you to be able to find them quickly when you want to find them. All right, once you've marked what you want to use, all right, you're going to come in and you're going to click Save. That's it. You're done. Now, let's go back to the home screen here. All right, and I'm going to back up here like we've just now come in to Cricut Design Space. I want to go back to my stuff. I want to find that card. Now, pretend like you can't see them right here. Pretend like they're not popped up there. All right, I remember that I did that under Sunflower. Oh, there it is, Sunflower card. I'm going to click that. There it is. Wasn't that easy to find? Out of all of those projects that you saw, it was so quick and easy to find. All right, let's go back. Now, let's say I've got the Sunflower card, and now I've made it. I'm done with that. I no longer want it in Undone Tutorials. All right, while I'm here on my projects page, you will see a select button. Now watch this. If I go forward one, it's gone. You can only use this if you are in my projects and you're showing all of them. All right. So if you have a lot of projects, you may have to go through a bunch to find something to do this, but you can do it. Okay, I'm going to go back to this select button, left click, select this, come back way over here to next, going to come down, and here's where I can change it. I no longer want it in Undone Tutorial Items. I no longer want it in Undone Ideas. I do want to leave it in Sunflower Card. All right, so I've unchecked these. I'm going to say Add. We're adding our changes. All right, so I'm going to go back again. I'm going to go back to my stuff again. I'm going to go to my collections over here. I'm going to go to Undone Tutorial Items. It's not there. We subtracted it. See how that works? So I hope this was helpful for you. I hope now you understand how you can add to a collection. and how you can subtract from a collection using this select button. All right, any comments or questions, leave them below, and I will catch up with you in the next video. Bye.